Hey what's up guys, it's Averroes here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about procrastination in law school. Currently, we live in a society or in a world where people are constantly glued towards the screen of your smartphones, towards your tablets or your computers or your laptops, or even to the extent of your television. And this is something that we can't change. It's a normal phenomenon and it's been ingrained in our society because we are a society that's dependent on technologies and gadgets and the internet. It's the Industrial Revolution 4.0. People are doing their jobs with technology that we are entirely reliant upon, and there's nothing we can do about it. But it comes to the point where technology dominates over people. Is it the gadget or is it the technology that needs humans, or is that we as humans need technology? This is a very rhetorical question that I've heard, and it's to the point that I begin to question humanity as to why are we so addicted and obsessed with technology. But again, it's something that we need to accept. In this video, I want to talk about the reason as to why we are procrastinating in law school is because we're too focused and we're too distracted by technology and social media as well as entertainment. Perhaps some of us like to watch K-pop, dances, music on YouTube, wake up and just open our smartphones and look through it, look at TikTok videos maybe, or go on Netflix and watch it until midnight. That's the impact of technology and social media as well as entertainment has upon us as humans. Because of that, we have so many assignments, we have so many assessments and tasks that we have to do in law school. But the problem is that because of the distraction and because of the social media that's interrupting our daily activities, and we are procrastinating and that we're too focused on these short-term entertainment, that is why we lack productivity and we do things at the last minute. And even though you are able to complete your task at the last minute, it doesn't provide the best of quality of work, even if you're able to do so. You might be able to complete your assessments at the last time, but it will not guarantee that you can get really good grades, or you might potentially fail in your assessments or in your quizzes or your assignments. Even if so, it's very rare because only the smartest and the brightest students can do that at the last minute, like macam budak-budak gifted, and only those guys can do it. But in this video, I'm going to share you the hack or the tips on how to not procrastinate and get things and your job done on time, while also having time for yourself to do all those, to watch Netflix, maybe TikTok, YouTube, and all other forms of social media entertainment, or play video games on your PS4 or Xbox. And the only thing that I will say is try for a few seconds. For example, if you have an assignment or you have an assessment, open it for only a few seconds and type in your name. By doing so, you already encourage yourself to do something at least. And when you write down your name or just type in topic and try to do a few paragraphs, you'll automatically do everything as soon as possible or get the job done, even perhaps at maybe at 20% already. So by only putting your name, put in the title, or maybe perhaps writing one sentence or one paragraph, you've already completed around maybe 5 or 10%, and maybe from there you might be motivated to write more. Because I don't know why, that's human nature and instinct. When you try to do something a little bit at first, then you will subconsciously start doing more in the end. So try doing something at least 5% or 10% first, because you might not know that you might accidentally write more than that, or that at least you have done 5 or 10% first, and then the next time you open up your laptop or your gadget and then you do another 5 and 10%, that's already like 20%. That's all I want to say in this video. Perhaps you could implement and try this when you're studying law in university or wherever you are. And all I want to say is good luck, stay fantastic, and have a nice day. Thank you.